Hello, this is DevAsign main demo, and we are looking at the maintainer app right here. And if we quickly look at the wallet page and go through the transaction, the last bounty we just created, we can see details of the transaction on chain, and we can see on Stellar blockchain that this is on the public ledger. And if we click the wallet address of the maintainer, we can see details of the wallet, the token being held, as well as every single transaction and escrow that occurred on the wallet. So let's quickly go back to the maintainer app and then create a bounty. So to create the bounty, we'll click the create bounty button and then select the issue from our connected GitHub repository. So okay, let's select this issue and then set a $20 bounty on it to be done in 4 days, and then we'll publish. Great, our bounty has been created successfully and is marked as open, as we can see here. So if we click on the URL, we can see details of the bounty here, and the DevAsign bot has created the bounty. So let's go to the contributor app where we can now apply for this bounty. So before we apply, let us verify our identity as a contributor. So we've logged in from the contributor app, and then we have been asked to verify, to start our verification, right? So let's quickly start the verification process. The main reason why verification is important at this stage is to make sure that to ensure that the projects are working with verified individuals. All right, so we are done verifying our identity as the contributor. And from here, this is a previous task we worked on earlier on. And then this is the wallet address, the wallet details. So let's quickly go and apply for the bounty that has been created. I think this should be it. Yes, we can see it here. Let me apply. All right, so we just applied to work on the bounty here. All right, so we've approved the task application, and if we go to the developer, the contributor app, we can see that it has been marked as in progress. So let us submit our task here. Here review failed, but for the case of this demo, we'll just approve it.